What is up everybody, this is Nasim and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can export or import GTM container. So just see, this is very new and fresh Google Tag Manager container. Okay, first of all you need to go on admin and then you need to select the container import. Okay, and then just select your GTM container and click open and choose default workspace and then merge and override and conflicts. I just want to keep that one, and because this is very new and fresh, so it will not conflict with any other, so that's why I am going to click on add to workspace. And yes, now you can see the all GTM container has been imported to this fresh new Google Tag Manager container. And like for this kind of work, you can also export that file. So you need, if you want to export that container again, just need to go to export. So this one, just default workspace, and here you can see all are selected and then export it. And when you click, it will automatically download it and boom. So this actually how you can export and import GTM container. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more video from me, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay with me. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Have a great day.